Most people get this wrong. They assume City National Bank is just another regional bank, but the surprising truth is that it offers a blend of personal banking, wealth management, and business solutions that can rival larger national banks. For personal banking, City National Bank provides checking and savings accounts, CD, and competitive interest rates. They also offer mobile and online banking that's easy to navigate, with features like mobile deposit, bill pay, and budgeting tools. Wealth management is a major differentiator. CNB offers personalized investment advice, trust services, and financial planning. This makes it attractive for high net worth clients who want a bank that can handle both everyday banking and complex financial needs. For businesses, CNB provides loans, lines of credit, treasury management, and merchant services. They are particularly known for responsive customer service and tailored solutions, which is often cited by small and medium business owners as a big advantage. On the downside, fees for certain accounts can be higher than big national banks, and their branch network is concentrated in certain regions. However, the personal service and specialized offerings often outweigh these limitations. The surprising truth is that City National Bank is not just a local bank. It's a full-service financial institution that can meet the needs of individuals, businesses, and investors with personalized attention. In conclusion, City National Bank is ideal for anyone who values service, wealth management options, and tailored banking solutions. Whether you're looking for personal, business, or investment services, CNB offers a strong mix of products with an emphasis on client support. Subscribe for more honest reviews of banks and financial services to help you make informed choices.